Hello Audie and Kuya. Today, we're diving into the importance of brushing and combing my hair. Brushing and combing my hair is a crucial part of my grooming routine. It's not just about keeping me looking fabulous. It's about my health too. Remember, every dog is unique, and so is their coat. Some shed more than others. Understanding your dog's coat type helps you determine the right amount of brushing and combing needed. So, how do you go about brushing and combing your dog's hair? Well, it's a two-step process. We start with a slicker brush, specially designed for dogs. This handles the top layer of my coat. But with this video I got Puppy's old hair brush. He is not using this anymore cause he doesn't have any hair now. Hee. But don't forget the comb. Combing gets through the roots of their coat, right down to their skin. It's essential for a thorough job. Now, not all dogs need both. Some flat-coated breeds like me Labrador Retrievers may only require brushing. However, double-coated breeds like Huskies definitely need both. When you're brushing and combing, be gentle. Pay extra attention to sensitive areas like armpits, ears, tail, mouth, and around the eyes. Handle these areas with care to avoid injury. For those pesky mats and tangles, consider remedies like wet brushing and leave-in conditioner. Using your fingers to ease through the hair can also help reduce pulling. But with me, I don't have tangled hair, so we don't need those for now. But when should you brush and comb your dog's hair? Aim for once a week to every 2 weeks, especially when you notice extra shedding, tangles, or after your dog gets wet. So, what's the payoff for all this effort? Well, there are plenty of benefits. Minimize tangles and mats, reduced shedding, early detection of skin bumps and lumps, easier flea and tick detection, a healthier coat, building trust with your pup, natural oil stimulation, and your dog gets used to a little pampering. There you have it, the scoop on brushing and combing your dog's hair. It's not just grooming, it's a way to show your furry friend you care. Stay tuned for more doggy tips and keep pampering your pup. That's it for now. Bye-bye, Ati and Kuya.